So hello everyone, welcome back to the mathematics class. So today in this video we are going to learn the relationship between the radius and the circumference that is prescribed in your book in exercise 13.1. So for that, first of all you must know some basic things, that what is a radius. So radius is a line segment which join the center to the circumference. Join the center of the circle to the circumference. Diameter is a line segment which joins the circle, which joins 2 points on the circle passing through the center. And circumference is the boundary or the area just around the circle. So let us begin. So first of all children, let us see the length of the circle circumference is directly proportional to the length of the its diameter. That means if the diameter of a circle has been given, so you can find out the length of the circumference easily by using the formula circumference is equal to pi d. So you must be thinking, what is this pi? So pi is basically a Greek letter which is shows the ratio of the circumference of any circle to the diameter of that circle. Regardless of the circle size, the the ratio of the circumference and the diameter will always be equal, and that is equals to pi. So this is the Greek letter, and the value of this pi is 22/7, or in decimals the value is 3.14. So now let us see through an example that how we can use this formula to find out the circumference of the circle. Suppose in this question the diameter of a circle is 14 centimeter. The diameter has been given 14 centimeter. Find its circumference. So we need to find out the circumference of the circle. So how to find out that? First of all, we'll write down the diameter. Diameter is already given in the question, that is 14 centimeter, and the formula is pi d. So we will put the value of pi, that is 22/7, and the value of d, that is 14 centimeter. Now we will do the basic calculation. We can do here 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. So you have left with 22 multiplied by 2, that is 44 centimeter. So the circumference of this given circle is 44 centimeter. Now the second condition, that we know that the diameter is twice of radius. Yes, because radius is half of the diameter. Radius is this line, and if we make one more radius in front of it, so it will become a diameter. So if radius is given, the circumference can be found using this formula. What is that formula? Let us derive that. So we know that diameter is equals to 2r. That means diameter is double of radius. 2 multiplied by r can be written as 2r. So circumference formula that we already know is pi d. So instead of d, we can put 2r from here, because diameter is just double of radius. So we have written 2r. So as it is prescribed in mathematics that always whenever we have a numerical value, that will always come in the front. So that's why the formula has become 2 pi. Circumference is equals to 2 pi r. And the value of pi will remain same, that is 22/7, or you can use 3.14 as well. Now, so example, the radius of a circle is 42 centimeter. Find its circumference. So radius is 42 centimeter. Circumference formula we have already just learned now, 2 pi r. So we will put the values. 2 will remain 2. Instead of pi, we will write down 22/7, and in place of r, we will write down 42. Now again we will perform the basic calculations. That is, if we know that 7 and 42 are 42 is the multiple of 7. So we can do 7 ones are 7 and 7 6 are 42. Now we are left with 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 6. That is equals to 264 centimeters. So the radius of this given circle is 264 centimeters. Now let us see some related questions of this topic. Question number 1 says that find the circumference of a circle given that its radius is 8.4 centimeter. Okay, this is a circle with a radius 8.4 centimeter, and we need to find out the circumference of the circle. So first of all, we will write down all the information given in the question, that is radius, the length of the radius is 8.4 centimeter. Circumference is formula of circumference is 2 pi r when the radius has been given. So put the values. 2 multiply by pi value, we will put 22 by 7, and instead of r we will write down 8.4. So now you must be thinking that how to solve this point, because the value has been given in the decimal. So for that we need to remove the decimal, and then we will insert 10 over here, that we have already learned in the chapter decimals, that how to remove the decimal. And if we are removing the decimal, we have to put 1 in the denominator, and we have to count the number of digits. There is 1 digit, so we will put 1 0 along with it. So it will be the 8.4 will become 84 upon 10. Now we have this with us. So again we can do the calculation. It will be 7 ones are 7, and this is 7 ones are 7, and 7 twos are 14. Now we can do 2 ones are and 2 fives are. So now we are left with 22 multiplied by 12 upon 5. So if we'll calculate it further, we will get the answer as 52.8 centimeter. Now let us see the second part of this question. So in this we have, find the circumference of the circle given that its diameter is 56 centimeter. For that, again I have written the given information, that is diameter is 56 centimeter. The formula of circumference using diameter will be pi d. So we will put the value of pi, that is 22 by 7. D is 56 centimeter. Again the basic calculation we can do, 7 ones are 7 and 7 eights are 56. So now we are left with 22 multiplied by 8, that is equal to 176 centimeter. Next question. What is the radius of the circle having 132 centimeter as the circumference? This is just the opposite question. Till now we have been given with the radius and the diameter. Now they have given us the circumference, and they are asking the radius of the circle. So for that I have written circumference is already given, that is 132 centimeter. Circumference formula is 2 pi r. So we will put the values in this formula. So instead of circumference I have written 132 centimeter. 2 pi, the value of pi is 22 by 7, and radius is r, because we don't know the radius, so we will put r instead of radius in here. So now you know the transposition, children, that whenever we have any number, the value we have to find out, and we have the number in multiplication. So when we transpose it to the next side, it will be done as the division, and if we have in the division, it will go and it will transform into the multiplication operation. So we will shift this 7 this side, and as it is in division, so it will be here in the multiplication. So we can write down 132 multiplied by 7, and rest of the same things will remain same, that 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by r. And now this r, 2 and 22 are in multiplication with this r. So when I'll shift this towards left hand side, they will become in the division part. So it is 132 multiplied by 7 upon 2 into 22. So let us do the calculation. 2 ones are 2, and it will be 2 6 are 12 and 2 6 are 12. Now 22 ones are 22 and 22 threes are 66. Now we have 3 sevens are. So 3 sevens are will be 21. So the radius of this circle will be 21 centimeter. That is our answer. Next question. Given a circle with center O and radius 3.5 centimeter, what is the longest chord of the circle? So this is the radius, that is 3.5 centimeter. So can you guess that what is the longest chord, children? I have already described in the previous video that the longest chord of a circle is diameter. So longest chord is diameter. So it is already known that diameter is double of radius. So what we will do, we are going to use this formula, or the relationship between the diameter and radius is diameter equals to 2 multiplied by r, or 2r. So we'll put the value of r here. 2 multiplied by 3.5 centimeter will be equal to 7 centimeter. So here we have the solution of this question as well. I hope children you have understood the concept, the relationship between the radius, diameter and the circumference. Do the given work, do the given assignment, stay safe, stay at home, bye bye, see you soon. Thank you.